Hi guys, this is a Samson Go Mic Direct, which is a portable USB microphone that can be used on your computer. It's the only mic that I'm going to use while making this video, so you can see if the audio works for you. And it's pretty small, as you can see as I open it. Pretty small packaging, pretty good. What I mainly like about it is the size. You can see it's pretty small, and the price, it goes about $40. That's in America, and here in South Africa it goes about 550 Rand, which is not bad, and it's noise cancellation technology as well. When you get it out of its pack, you can notice that it's pretty small, fits right into your hand. It can be used as your on-camera microphone or your on-laptop microphone, and it can be used for YouTube if you're in pretty low budget and you just need something and you're just starting out. As you can see, that's the USB port that slides quickly out. Here, I was trying to compare it with the size of my palm. Yeah, it's pretty small. It tilts as well, so I guess that's pretty positive if you need the mic to face a different direction or whatever. You can speak into either the black side or the gray, and it sits quite well in a leveled surface. With its noise cancellation system that's inbuilt, it can be used in voice recognition software systems. I'm currently using it in my final year project. So this is how the USB port slides out, pretty easy. And this can work with iPad or iPhone as well if you have an adapter. And when you place it into your computer port, you notice that the light will turn green to show that it's on. It only turns red if the peak is too high. Thanks for watching guys. Please like and subscribe, and you can get in touch with me